In this session, we are going to explore the collections work area. I will explain how to use info tiles, look at overdue transactions for a customer, and review aging and donning history. Let's begin. From the home page, I'm going to click on the Applications section to get to Collections, and then I'm going to select Collections. What is a work area? It is a page that groups related tasks. A collector can work on key daily tasks in this work area. On the top left portion of the page, we see 4 boxes. We call them info tiles. These info tiles are predefined mini dashboards that display key performance indicators that you can expand to view additional detail. Let me explain how these 4 info tiles can be helpful to a collector. First, we have the delinquent info tile. This object lists all of the delinquent customers assigned to the collector. The promises info tile contains information on both broken and open payment promises. Strategy tasks shows the number of open manual tasks assigned to a collector. And finally, activities. This info tile lists all of the activities assigned to the collector which need immediate attention. I mentioned that you can expand the info tiles to view more detail. Let's take, for example, strategy tasks. I'm going to go ahead and click on this number 14. Look at the data displayed underneath. The info tile is telling me that there are 14 strategy tasks assigned to the collector, Jim Jones. After I clicked on the hyperlink, the 14 tasks were displayed underneath. Let's take a look at the first task listed here, hard customer call. I'm going to click on it. The collector is supposed to call the customer. Notice the task has a start time as well as status. Once the collector makes the call, there are subsequent tasks that the collector may need to perform, like visiting the customer, for example. I'm going to click on Done to return to the work area. This time, I'm going to click on the delinquent info tile. 19 represents the list of delinquent customers assigned to Jim Jones, the collector that I'm logged in as. Let's take a closer look at the customer, computer service, and rentals. In the Transactions tab, we can see a list of overdue invoices for the customer in question. Notice the buttons. The collector can process payments as well as payment promises and initiate disputes on behalf of the customer. If we go to the Aging tab, we are going to see aging information for this customer, computer service, and rentals. We can see here 4 different time buckets: current, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and balances older than 60 days. The collector will also have access to donning information. If I click on History, we can see here a list of donning letters that have been sent to the customer. That was a quick look at the collections work area.